Welcome to Francesca's Korean class. In our first lesson, we learned Korean alphabet, Hangul. Today, we are going to learn Korean syllable. There are 4 syllable structures in Korean. I will explain one by one. First, these 3 syllables, it has consonant plus vowel structure. G plus A, you read it, ga, ga. N plus A, na. M plus U, mu. And these 3 syllables, you only read vowel, A, O, E. You have a consonant, beginning consonant, but it doesn't have any value, so you only read vowel, A, O, E. These 3 syllables, E plus B, ip, ip, and U plus N, un. U plus R, L sound, ul. And these 3 syllables, it has final ending consonant. In Korean, we call it 받침. So these 3 syllables, they all have 받침. And the last structure, G plus A, ga. Ga plus M, you read it, gam. And G plus O, go. And you have 받침, final consonant, gong. There's difference. Beginning consonant, it has any value when it's combined with vowel, but as ending consonant, as 받침, you need to pronounce it, gong. And m plus u, and plus n, mun, mun, gam, gong, mun. These are 4 syllable structures. These 3 syllables each has consonant, vowel, consonant structure. The ending consonant, 받침, it's always written in the bottom. It's in the bottom. For example, music note, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, sol, it has 받침, it has ending consonant, l. So we write like sol. We don't write like so and l separately. We don't write like this. And the ending consonant, b, p, when you read it, you sound b, b. So I'll take a few more examples. Bap, which means rice or meal. You read pap. If you read the babu, that's not correct. So bap. And the p ending consonant, the example, up, which means front. When you read it, up, p sound. So b, p, it sounds p. And I want to mention the other thing. English word cup, tap, top. When you read it, it's slightly burst. P, cup, tap, top. But if you read Korean style, we read like cup, tap, top. It doesn't burst. You close your lips. We have syllables with double final consonant, 겹받침. So the first syllable, 르그, it has 르그, and when you read it 닭. 그 is pronounced. 닭. But not 닭. And second syllable, you read it 덜. 르 is pronounced. So you have word 여덟, which means 8, number 8. And when you read it 여덟. And 부스, you pronounce 부. 갑. These two syllables, 겹받침, 르무, 르프. This one, when you read it 3. The mu is pronounced. And 르프, 읍. I take an example, 읍다, the verb recite, which means recite. You read it, 읍다. We had the example 밥, the ending consonant b. Ending consonant b, p, when you read it, you read b. B is pronounced, so 읍다. There is a certain regulation on how you read double final consonant, but I don't want to explain too much on that at this point because you just learn Korean alphabet, so it could be a little bit confusing. But we have more lessons to come, and I'm sure you will be familiar with how to read those syllables.